VW PCR2.1 Read/Write by OBDSTAR DC706 on bench. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're passionate about automobiles and want to stay updated with the latest in diagnostic tools and programmers, you've come to the right place. Here, we dive deep into the tech that keeps your vehicles running smoothly. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Let's get started. VW PCR2.1 Read/Write by OBDSTAR DC706 on bench. Overview. The OBDSTAR DC706 ECU Tool, equipped with ECM version 30.61, is confirmed to successfully read and write EXT EEPROM and INT Flash data, as well as read IMMO data and lock/unlock the ECU on the bench. This process requires specific tools and cables and an active internet connection. Requirements. 1. Tools and cables. OBDSTAR MP001 Programmer. Bench AV3 cable. Bench BV2 cable. OBDSTAR DC706 ECU Tool. 2. Power supply. 12V power supply to keep DC706 operational during the process. 3. Internet connection. Ensure a stable internet connection throughout the procedure. Procedure. 1. Setup. Connect the OBDSTAR MP001 Programmer, DC706 ECU Tool, and VW PCR2.1 ECM using the Bench AV3 and Bench BV2 cables following the wiring diagram provided. 2. Initiate software. Open the OBDSTAR DC706 software. Navigate to ECU Flasher, ECM, ECM version 30.61, brand Volkswagen, ECU brand Continental, type PCR2.1, Volkswagen Continental PCR2.1 TC1796. 3. Follow wiring diagram. Carefully follow the wiring diagram to ensure all connections are correct. Verify all connections before proceeding. 4. Power and internet check. Ensure the 12V power supply is connected to DC706 and functioning. Verify that the internet connection is active. 5. Connect to ECU. In the software, select Start, choose Bench, and then select MP001. Click Connect to establish a connection with the ECU. 6. Read and write operations. Reading data. Select the option to read EXT EEPROM and INT Flash data. Save the data files as required. Writing data. Choose the saved files to write into a new VW PCR2.1 ECM. 7. IMMO data and ECU control. Read IMMO data. Perform lock and unlock operations on the ECU. 8. Confirmation. Ensure all read/write operations complete successfully. Additional information. For more vehicle-specific information, download the latest OBDSTAR DC706 vehicle coverage document. Tips for successful operation. Double-check connections. Before starting the process, verify that all cables are securely connected according to the wiring diagram. Stable power. Ensure the power supply is stable and connected throughout the entire operation to prevent interruptions. Internet reliability. A stable internet connection is crucial for the successful completion of the process. Follow instructions. Adhere to each step precisely as outlined in the software instructions to avoid errors. By following these steps, users can effectively read and write data on the VW PCR2.1 ECU using the OBDSTAR DC706 tool, ensuring a smooth and successful ECU programming and maintenance process. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Your support means the world to me and helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and share this video with your friends who love cars as much as you do. Together, we can explore and learn more about the amazing world of automobile diagnostics. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, happy driving.